I think we have one that hasn't bird hunted before, but he's been hunting, so he's familiar with guns, so that should be no problem. What we'll be doing, we'll be hunting with one dog, and we're going to hunt those strips where they planted the birds. And since we have 5 hunters, we'll put 3 on one side, 2 on the other, so we've got it covered. Now what I ask for safety reasons, your field of vision and your shooting lanes will always be straight ahead of you or to the outside of the strip, but never shoot over the top of some other hunter. And when you're shooting, sometimes the birds take off a little low, and the dog is anywhere near there. We have to point at the bird, and you want to try and shoot the beak off of the bird, and that way it'll put you right in front of the bird. Most times, people that have any difficulties, it's usually because they're shooting behind the bird. But it'll work out great. You'll have a good time.
It was a cold 6-degree January morning, but everybody was happy to be out bird hunting.
Just get right about to the edge of this strip right here. Okay, you ready? Ready over here?
Yep.
Young Lance Yabera gets the first bird of the day. Well, the adults didn't fare quite as well.
One up. You ready now?
Was that another mess? It's okay, guys. Filson will find you another bird right away.
Whoa.
Quit your moaning over those misses. Filson's on point again. Really, Pat?
Get it, get it.
Come your side.
Can't throw these gloves on.
Whoa.
Oh, it's rough.
Where is he?
Oh,
all right. Yeah, that's what you want to do. Good boy. Good boy. Whoop. Right here. There you go. Okay. Straight up. Whoop. That's good. Whoop. A little bit forward. There she goes. Up. Oh, all right. Farther, so you're not behind it. Whoop. There he goes. Oh yeah, you hit him. That boy, here. Hey. Here. That boy, here. That boy, don't let him go. Good. Whoa.
Fun.
Are you cold?
No.
Your fibber. Your nose is red.
He's injured.
Yeah.
Broke the bird. Here it goes. There he is. Oh, it's a cripple. He got it. There he goes up top. There he goes. Way to go.
Did you get one, Patrick? I did.
You were laughing, Lee.
Well, after that questionable shooting, it was time for lunch. Well, after lunch, everybody vowed to shoot better, and Guide Bill Edge and his dog Sam certainly hoped so.
Whoa. Whoa. Is everybody ready?
He is.
Where's he at? Hunt him up. Where's he at? Hunt him up.
He smelled it.
If his tail's wagging, he's smelling it, but he's not on point. Hunt him.
I think it's moving on him.
What was it you guys said about shooting better?
Get. Oh. Come on. Come on. Get him out with us.
Shoot him, Jason.
Dead bird, dead bird. Dead bird. Get that bird back here. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Dead bird, dead bird. Here. Here. Which one you got shot? You? That's you. Dead bird.
Sam demonstrates his classy style.
Where's he at?
He's walking. He's in front of you.
I see it. Stop, stop.
The temperature warmed up a bit, and so did the shooting ability.
Turn it up. Come on. Get in here. Come on. Dead bird, dead bird, Sam. Good boy, Sam.
Just using my bird handler here.
All right.
It was a good thing that Sam found and pointed the same birds 2 and 3 times.
Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
Oh!
Yeah. Good boy. Sam. Coming over. Good boy, Sam. Good boy. Good boy. Whoa. Chucker. Dead bird, dead.
What a great afternoon I had at Wil-Nor Outdoors, filming my daughter Jessica and her husband JP, my son Jason, and good family friends Pat and Lance Ybarra, as well as good friend Jerry Drummonds. And also we'd like to thank Bill Edge and his dog Sam for a great time at Wil-Nor Outdoors.